Hi everyone! We're going to learn how to make sweet potato wedges today. A few kitchen reminders. Work with supervision, wash your hands, and always remember to practice safe knife skills. We're going to go over the supplies we need. You need 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, a cutting board, a mixing bowl, measuring spoons, a cutting knife, seasonings. We're going to use pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and oil. Okay, step 1. We're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, once we've washed our sweet potatoes, we're going to cut them into wedges. As you see here, we want to make sure we're using good knife safety. I'm always cutting on a flat surface and making sure that my fingers are out of the way. We're going to place the chopped sweet potato wedges into our mixing bowl. I'm going to measure out my oil and add in the spices. So I'm adding salt and pepper and garlic powder and paprika. Once we've done that, we're going to use clean hands to combine the wedges with our spices and oil. Next, I'm going to spread my sweet potatoes out onto a baking sheet. We're going to bake them in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes until they are golden brown and tender on the inside. Enjoy! For recipes and more, check out VermontHarvestOfTheMonth.org.